Welcome to the Spa-Salon Management System, your all-in-one solution in salon system. See real-time updates on appointment, sales and service with our smart dashboard. Make salon order for every service like a haircut or spa treatment easily. Quickly create invoice from salon orders for smooth billing. Manage customer appointments and staff schedule effortlessly. Turn appointments into order automatically after the service is done. Set up and organize all your salon service for easy tracking. Get details report of appointments and order for better insight. Ready to transform your salon? Contact us today at 87805 43446 or email at odoo@devintelle.com.